Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be about New Age stock and 3 things to consider before buying. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. And with that said, let's get into it. New Age is a Colorado-based organic and healthy products company with the slogan Live Healthy. They develop, market, sell, and distribute healthy liquid dietary supplemental beverages in 50 states and approximately 60 countries. New Age Beverages is evolving to the name just New Age and will acquire RX and 4 other e-commerce and direct selling channels for about $25 million in cash, $18 million in shares and convertible notes, totaling a little more than $150 million. So why the name change? Well, New Age is seeking to broaden their scope of consumer products into wellness products, nutritional performance products, and healthy appearance products. And so why buy RX? And just an FYI, the deal's not done yet. It's set to close Q3 of this year. By buying RX, New Age is going to become even more of a global company. They're going to have pro forma revenues in excess of $500 million. Their outreach will extend from 60 to 75 countries. And RX is one of the fastest growing disruptors, growing from 2 million to 250 million in just 4 years. In addition, buying RX is going to allow New Age to increase their free cash flow. And per their CFO, they're going to have cost savings of $20 million. And that's extremely significant. They're also going to achieve positive net income and improve manufacturing efficiencies, cross-selling abilities, marketing, and channel expansion. In addition, by buying RX, New Age is going to be able to strengthen their omni-channel route to market strategy. They're also going to add health and wellness, healthy appearance, and nutritional performance to their portfolio. And just a quick reminder about the omni-channel strategy. It's to integrate multiple channels to create a seamless customer experience so customers can switch easily between channels, and it's customer focused versus marketing focused. So now I'm going to talk about RX and the 4 other companies that New Age is buying, because if you're going to buy this stock, you may know a little bit about New Age, but these other companies need to be explored just at least a little bit so you know what you're getting into. So RX is a direct-to-consumer company. They're in 35 countries, 200 awards, and they are a fast-growing private company. Some of the products are on this page. You can look over them if you like. Please note they are quite expensive, so just to note, during a time of economic uncertainty, that is an issue. And next up is Mavi. They sell products customized to an individual's DNA makeup. They're in Australia, Hong Kong, Singapore, South Africa, and the UAE. Next up is LIMU, and I apologize, that could be LIMU, so if I didn't pronounce that right, forgive me. They are a seaweed-based energy products and energy drink company. Next we have Zanoa. They sell superfood-based dietary supplements, beverages, and fermented foods. They are also an e-commerce direct selling company, and they are mostly in Japan. And last but not least, New Age will be getting into the beauty and skincare by buying Shannon. They have revenues of over $25 million. They're also an e-commerce direct selling company, and they are Indonesian based. And the next thing to consider is that institutions are acquiring shares this year. So as you can see on the screen, you have multiple institutions adding shares and increasing their percentages. And New Age had their earnings report this morning and their conference call. And just some of the highlights you can see, they had a net revenue of $62.6 million, which, be mindful that's only New Age. They had $66.3 million in Q2 of 2019. They did have a net loss down to $9.6 million, which is 10 cents a share, as opposed to $11.7 million, 15 cents a share in Q2 of 2019. They did miss estimates by 1 cent, as you can see. They did, however, increase their cash balance by 48% from Q1 to Q2, which is definitely a good thing. And just 2 more things from this morning's conference call and earnings report. Per Brent Willis, they are having good organic growth in North America, Latin America, and Western Europe. Revenues are up 2% in Western Europe and 10% in Latin America, which, considering the economic uncertainties, that's pretty impressive. finally, just a few thoughts. For me, New Age is a hold. Their numbers are improving, their cash balance is getting better, and they have an active effort to lower costs finally, which is all a good thing. But they are aggressively growing, and that is good. But similarly to companies that divest, over the long term, it's often a good thing for efficiency and effectiveness. But the short term, often it's clunkier and more costly than a lot of investors think. So sometimes there could be short-term headwinds, and the share price could reflect in that, which is why, in my opinion, New Age is a hold. And that concludes this video. I hope you guys did find it helpful. And if you did so, please consider subscribing, as I do plan on sending out at least 2 to 3 videos every single week. That said, I hope you guys have a great day and take care. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.